Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Yamaha XJ6-N. So here it is, it's a 2010 on a template with just 1,660 miles on. It's a gorgeous looking bike. Super low mileage as well. That mileage is actually correct. It has indeed done 1,606 miles in 16 years. A couple of nice extras on there as well. So you've got that rear seat cowl. You've got the tail tidy on there. Half digital, half analog display as well. It's also got the radiator guard. But gorgeous bike. They'll do absolutely everything you need them to do. If you want to do a bit of touring, they'll do it perfectly. Little toy for a Sunday. Which does everything perfectly. But if you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.